Get this, and she's probably not gonna like it. Just FYI.
Good girl.
Good girl, Maci.
Good job, Mama.
That's a good girl.
Good job, Mama.
Good girl. That's much better. I'm gonna be right here. Okay. Good girl.
She's like, well,
Girl.
Good job, Mama.
Nicely done, sis. Oh, we got a lick there. That was good.
Tiny.
It was good. So you rescued her?
Yeah, we had some friends and they were raising a poodle and a Yorkie with Maci. And the Yorkie is like 15 and kind of ran the house.
It was kind of a pecking order until she got tired of it.
Yeah. And she...
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. That's why I was like, sometimes we just have to give them a minute to like, what just happened? What'd you do to me?
Good girl.
You could feel it. I could feel her, like yeah. She was laying hands on her head. I could feel her.
Good job.